Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Aircraft grounded, Lufthansa rebuild and new route in 2024. Lufthansa faces multiple challenges and opportunities as it navigates the complexities of a competitive aviation industry. The following are 10 key points regarding the airline's aircraft grounding, rebuilding efforts, and new route developments. Aircraft grounding. Due to technical issues, Lufthansa faced aircraft groundings in early 2024 due to technical malfunctions, mainly affecting its A320 and A350 fleets. The grounding resulted from engine issues identified in the Pratt & Whitney powered planes, which are common in both short-haul and long-haul services. This temporary disruption caused significant delays and flight cancellations, straining Lufthansa's operational capacity. Global supply chain bottlenecks. The aviation industry continues to face delays in the supply of critical parts. For Lufthansa, this has compounded the difficulties with its grounded fleet. The delays in receiving necessary replacement parts have prolonged the time aircraft remain out of service, further affecting flight schedules. Rebuilding fleet maintenance strategy. In response to these disruptions, Lufthansa has started to overhaul its maintenance strategy. The airline is expanding its predictive maintenance program, leveraging data analytics to better anticipate technical failures and reduce the risk of further grounding incidents. This strategy aims to improve reliability across the fleet. Increased focus on sustainability. Alongside technical recovery, Lufthansa is committed to rebuilding with sustainability in mind. The airline is ramping up investment in newer, more fuel-efficient aircraft such as the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787. By replacing older, less efficient planes, Lufthansa aims to reduce its carbon footprint and align with global environmental goals. Fleet modernization initiatives. Lufthansa's rebuilding strategy includes retiring older aircraft and accelerating the delivery of new models. The airline has placed significant orders for both the Airbus A320neo and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, with an emphasis on reducing operating costs and improving passenger experience. The fleet modernization is expected to improve operational efficiency and reduce maintenance costs. Financial recovery. After pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted Lufthansa, leading to significant financial losses. As part of its rebuilding, Lufthansa is focused on financial recovery, reducing debt, and streamlining operations. The airline's restructuring efforts include reducing workforce size, renegotiating vendor contracts, and increasing profitability by focusing on high-demand routes. New strategic partnerships. To rebuild its international network, Lufthansa has formed strategic partnerships with other global carriers. These partnerships enhance Lufthansa's connectivity, particularly in Asia and North America, allowing the airline to tap into new markets while reducing the risks associated with fleet limitations caused by groundings. Introduction of new routes. Despite the challenges posed by aircraft groundings, Lufthansa is launching new routes in 2024 with a focus on high-demand, underserved markets. Notably, the airline is expanding its transatlantic offerings, adding routes to cities like Austin, Texas, and Seattle, Washington. These new routes reflect Lufthansa's strategy to focus on long-haul travel, where profit margins are higher. Hub strengthening in Frankfurt and Munich. As part of its route development plan, Lufthansa is concentrating on strengthening its hubs in Frankfurt and Munich. Both cities serve as major gateways for the airline's European and international operations, and Lufthansa is increasing connectivity from these hubs to improve transfer efficiency and attract more long-haul passengers. Customer-centric enhancements. In rebuilding its brand post-pandemic, Lufthansa is enhancing its customer experience. The airline has introduced improvements in its premium cabins, onboard Wi-Fi, and airport lounges. Additionally, Lufthansa is adopting a more flexible booking policy to accommodate the changing needs of travelers, ensuring customer satisfaction remains a priority as the airline recovers. Lufthansa's focus on addressing technical issues, rebuilding its fleet, and introducing new routes places the airline in a position for long-term recovery and growth in 2024. Despite current setbacks, Lufthansa's forward-thinking strategies indicate a strong commitment to overcoming challenges and ensuring future profitability. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.